Hey everybody, I'm Danish Living. Today I will make 2 kinds of baked bread with fillings. For making the dough, I mix the sugar and dried yeast with water first. Let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. The rest of the ingredients are shown here. The 2 eggs can be replaced with the same amount of water if you like. Mix the ingredients together until they are well mixed, and then put the butter, after the butter is mixed well with the dough, stirring continuously in around 10 minutes. Form the dough into a round shape. Grease the container with some vegetable oil. And then put the dough in the container. Grease a bit oil on the surface of the dough to keep it moist during the proofing time. Press the air out of the dough and divide them into 14 small pieces evenly. Form them in round pieces and rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. For making the fillings, I would like to use shrimps with chicken meat, but any kind of meat can be used to make the fillings as you like. You can find all ingredients I use for making the filling in the description area and this video. I have tried to use as less ingredients as possible to make this filling, so that there will not be too much juice from the meat used. The dark soy sauce has not been added in order to keep the light color of the filling. Vegetable oil and sesame oil I have also used in this filling, but I forgot to make a video for them. Press the air out of the dough first and roll out the dough to a thinner slice. Put some fillings. Shape the bread form as you like. You can also form the thin slice by hand, like I'm doing here. I have learned this method from my mom. She doesn't like to use rolling pin when making such buns at home. For making this style, we just need to form the bread in a round shape first, and to make a thin 3-strand braid to decorate the bread top. Put the bread dough in a warm place for the second proof. For the glazing, I use the mixture of 1 yolk and some milk. Grease the bread gently. I like this light color of the filling, especially when they are baked. The smell is so fresh. The bread are greatly soft and fluffy, as you can imagine. This type of bread looks so cute and lovely. I love them. Please like and subscribe if you also like them. Thank you. You can try this bread if you like. You won't be disappointed if so. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.